Hello guys, what's up? What's going on? I'm Agape Philip. Happy to be here once again. Please pay attention to this video. Watch this video from the beginning to the end, and trust me, you are going to start doing something useful with your life. In today's video, I will be giving you a few tips on how to make money online, and I'll also attend to your question that most people say, is it actually possible to make money online? The answer is yes, but how are you actually going to do that? Uh, Doing that actually has to do with your commitment, and you have to give it a thumbs up notification. You have to pay attention to certain detail. Don't skip this video. The details will be communicated to you shortly. Okay, before that, can we just look up here, look at this place now, how a website called StarClicks. StarClick is actually one of the websites I'm actually using to make money online. Every day I make about $1. That is if I'm doing the tax myself. But if I actually look for people who can do the tax for me and I go and relax, then I'll be making thousands of dollars in a day. But I'm doing it myself. I'm still looking for traffic. So in this website, you can actually do a very simple task just by clicking on adverts, just like this. In today's package, I have about 114 adverts, which is $1.14. If you look at this now, I can be clicking on it. The only thing I need to do is just click on it, wait for a while, it will run, and then I'll go back to my page, refresh it, and then my money is going forward. It's going forward. Before you know, I'll make about $1 plus. So it is actually free to make money online, but you must be willing to pay attention to this video, and basically you must also understand why you are making this money. In some website you can actually make the money up to a certain level, and then for you to withdraw the money is it's actually going to be difficult. But in this, you are not going to find it difficult to withdraw your money. If you look at this place now, at the other side of it now, you see account overview. If you click on this account overview, you're actually going to have access to everything that you're actually doing. Then look at this now. Today's work, I am going to make about $1.14, and the HTML code total payout. And in today's tax as well, if I have a website that I'm actually opening it, then I'm going to make about $5.70. That's if I have a website and I copy this code to my website. All I just need users who could actually open the website, and that's all. I'll make the money. Well, basically, I'm using account status is gold. I have migrated to gold plan. I'm using a plan which I pay about 8,000 naira. Yes, I paid 8,000 naira, and the country is Nigeria. You can even if you're outside the country, this will actually work perfectly very well for you. And if you look at my overview here, if you look at what I have done here so far, if you look at the date and all the lesson I have done today, which is today, I've just finished about 7.001%, where I have not gone even half of it. I'm about to finish that. So if you look downward now, you see about yesterday I had about 102 adverts, which I made about $1.015, which was 28th of June 2021. That was yesterday. And on the 27th of June 2021, I made about $1.14, which is just I also, yeah, on the 27th of July of June, I mean to say, I also have about 114 advert, which amount to $1.14. So here on the 26th of June, I just had about 48 word advert, which amount to $0.49. Okay, on that day I was unable to complete this task. I didn't finish the task. Yes, on the yes on the 26th of July, I didn't complete the task. That's why I had about 0.49. So if you look at on the 25th, I had about 114, and all that go downward. So if you look at this chart now, you see what is actually happening here. If you go up again, you see what is actually happening here. So if you go to your transfer, your bank transfer, if you go to your mobile verification, you can actually verify your mobile phone here. If you click on this pay per click, you see what is happening here. For the PPC ad you are going to make today, just for today's ad, I'm going to make about 1.14, just like I said, and the HTML code I'm going to make about 5.70. And if you click on this balance transfer, you can be able to make request payout. This make request payout, when you click on it, actually going to take you to a place where you're actually going to enter your bank detail, and then the money will be transferred to you. But if you look at this place now, the minimum payout is $50. So until you get to $50 before you can actually be able to withdraw. So if you click on this payout method now, you can see you can pay through your PayPal, you can pay the money to your Bitcoin account. The money can also be transferred to your bank account. It can also be transferred to Western Union. That's if you have a dollar account, okay? So that's just very simple on how you can actually make withdrawals. And also, if you click on this referrals now, you can see referral link. If you click here, you can actually open the referral link that you're actually going to copy and refer people to come and be participants of this. If you go down here now, all this link all represent one thing. If you just copy the first link, it's still the same thing. Copy the other one, because if you look at this place now, everything this 51608941 is the same thing with this first one here. So there is no point you thinking that these links they are actually different. And then if you click on this account report now, you are actually going to have access. You are actually going to see what you have done on daily basis. If you click on this payout report, you also see what you have done so far or how much you have withdrawn. So if you click on this top members who are actually making serious money in this website, you also see those who are actually making serious money in this website. If you drag down a little bit, you see how much people are actually withdrawing, have actually withdrawn on daily basis. If you look at this one now, this Mr. Willie on last payout amount, which is on the 10th of June, today he withdrew about $250. And then if you look at this Mr. Nur Mohammed on the 12th of June, he withdrew about $143. Okay, if you drag down a little bit now, you see how much we're actually withdrawing. So there is no scam stuff attached to this website. Okay, so it's actually free for you to do that. But before you go, please pay attention to the little thing I have for you. I have a bonus tip for you. The best thing for you to do is go down to my video below and you see a link that you'll be given access to how to register. Because if you register, you just go to starclicks.com and then start the registration. You're not going to actually have access to the bonus that will be given to you. But if you register through the link, you're automatically going to have about $5 that will be credited to your account, and then you start the journey from there. But if you register it on your own, you're not going to have that bonus. So go to the link below this video where it says Start Clicks link. Click on the link and then you register. All you need to do when you click on the link, okay, let me just go to Start Click now so that you can understand how you can actually register it. So if you go to this Start Click now, you're actually going to see the Start Click button. You click on it, you're actually going to see where you can sign in as a new user. Okay, my account I have signed in already, so anything I do, it wants to go in straight there. So let me sign. Okay, if you are new on Start Click now, once you come here, you look at everything that is actually happening here. You see, you can start working now, earn money, and get paid online. Published adverts, get paid online. That's you publish adverts and you get paid instantly. Your balance is updated instantly. And if you go down, you see withdraw your balance to PayPal, transfer, bank transfer, or many others. Quick and free start, 100% free to join and start. And if you look at the other side now, you see also that you advertise your website. That is transform your business by advertising your website. This one is to start making money, just get paid. Okay, then this one is for you. If you have a website, you can actually sign in as an advertiser. But if you don't have a website, there is no point signing in as an advertiser. Just sign in, sign up as a publisher so that you can be given a task to do and then get your money. Well, here you can also improve the site SEO. That is the search engine optimization. That is one of the greatest ways to improve your site optimization page. You can also pay only for clicks. Okay, do not pay for impressions, only for real clicks. All right, you can only pay for real clicks. All right, the minimum deposit is about $5. All right, start with a small investment and see the amazing result. So even here, you can also sign up if you have a website, and for those who have real clicks, you click and then you make your money. So in here, you could just click on sign up now. Okay, you can actually sign up now. Okay, you can sign up as an advertise as a publisher. That's you are new and you just want need a click pay. you sign up, and then you start your registration, put in your name, everything like that, and then you go down, and then an email will be sent to your mail. You just go confirm it, everything. Just do exactly as you think. Just enter the password that you can still remember. That's if you don't want to actually um save the password in there. But I advise you, if you are using a system that is yours, you can actually save the password in there so that you can actually have access to it at any point in time. If you think you are not smart enough to, grab your password up here, you could just save the password there. Just like me, I have a lot of things that I'm actually doing online, so I could not be able to remember which is the password for this certain things I'm actually doing. So I normally save my password in my system, because nobody can actually break into my system. Nobody can actually take the system away from me. I'm always leaving it inside. So, okay, that is that for starclips.com. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel, and I hope you enjoy this video. Share it with your loved one. Give it a thumbs up notification, and make sure you drop your comment in the comment section below so that I can know which country you're coming from. It works in all countries, but if you're coming from a country that you're actually finding it difficult to register, please drop your comment. Make sure I will respond to it immediately. If you are watching this video, make sure you drop your comment. Make sure you share it with a loved one. I love you guys all. To make money online is not difficult, but you must be willing to pay a price. Paying a price, you must give it a time. Give it time so that it can actually make the money. Bro, you ready to make the money? Let's go there.